Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're a bit late, but we're starting to harvest our rice. Now they're going to get all the one and bring it there, over there, to do the thresher. Now they're transferring it. That's the thresher. How do you do it? I'm going slow. After harvesting, they're going to separate the rice into the rice haze, and they're going to put that on the top there. That's what they do. They're going to put it there, and they're going to push it in. Then automatically it will separate the rice into the rice haze. Now that's the rice haze. You notice that? That's the one. And then that's the rice there, over there. And they're going to put it in a sacks. They said that in each sacks they're going to put 4 like that. This is the rice that we have now, and after that we're going to give them their share. In every 7 sacks they're going to get 1. That's their policy here, and they're happy with that, and it's okay for us too because they work hard. And now we're going to get our share, and we're going to transfer it into the little house. Oh my god, it's very heavy, guys. Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay.
You want me to sit on top of that?
On this side.
Pira kasama na kuya?
Ito.
We got 7 socks. They only harvested 5 plots, and we've got 7 sacks on that. Not bad. Not bad for a first timer. And they're going to harvest the rest on Monday. That's what it said. It's the harvest time, all of them. For first 5 bob, we get 7 sacks.
Okay.
Yeah, and they said they're going to harvest on Monday, all of them. I don't know how many we can get from that.
Well, you're gonna get more from those because
Especially the big ones.
they've been getting more water on that side than this one. This one hasn't been getting any water.
Yeah.
So probably we got 1, 2, 3, 4 there. We get another minimum of 7 from there.
Yeah.
And the other
7,
one there is
14.
probably 14. And another 14 otherwise, 28, about 35, 40 sacks.
40 sacks.
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Yeah, because they said this season everybody don't get plenty of rice
Anyway, we'll see.
because of the weather.
Whatever we get, we get.
Yeah.
It was our first time.
Yeah, but not bad for the first time. Yeah.
Well, we should meet expenses.
Yeah.
We spent 20K.
And look at our electricity. They've done it. And that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye bye. We'll update you next harvest on Monday. Bye guys.